Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a really pretty, quick protector style. This hairstyle is called Bohemian Locs, Faux locks, whatever. I mixed a couple different methods in with this to achieve this really messy boho look, you know, perfect for springtime. Festivals are coming up, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this really cute hairstyle, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give your girl a thumbs up because I know you're going to enjoy this video. And make sure your bell is on so you can be notified whenever I drop some heat. This hairstyle only took me roughly 2 to 3 hours. And yeah, we're just going to jump right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Alrighty guys, so I already finished the rest of my hair and I left this front section for you guys, and I'm going to do all 4 or 5 of these on camera so that you guys can see the method that I used. So I wanted this to be a very lax hairstyle, so I wanted this to be really messy. That's why I'm parting it with my nails, so the parts will not be straight or the same shape, but this is how I prefer it. I'm going to be taking this curly hair here, and I'm going to be using a piece to braid into my hair to make it appear longer so that the locks wrap around a lot easier. Here I'm showing you guys how I mix in the weaving hair with my natural hair. I hope you guys can see. I don't really know how to explain it, but I'm just moving over a piece of the weave so that each portion of my natural hair will have a piece of weave, if that makes any sense. I'm also not going to be braiding this all the way down. I'm just going to braid it like an inch or 2 further than my natural hair. And that's because I want to leave the bottom really curly and I want it to hang out the bottom of the lock. But you guys will see that shortly. Now I'm going to be taking this lock. It's already twisted. And then I'm going to use the little hole at the top and I'm going to crochet that in. Sticking the crochet needle in with the hook open. Then I'm going to latch the loop. And then I'm going to close the crochet needle and lock it in. Then after that, I'm just going to pull it on through. Like so. Now I'm going to take the lock along with the braid and I'm going to pull both of those through. And I'm going to tighten it until I can't tighten it anymore. Okay you guys, so this is the tricky part and I don't know if I'll be able to explain it so that you guys can understand it, so just try to watch as closely as you can. But okay, so I'm untwisting the lock in the direction that it was in, and then I'm wrapping it around the braid and then retwisting it as I go. You see I'm untwisting it, pulling it, then wrap, then untwist it, then pull it, and then wrap it around. I hope this is making sense to you guys. If not, I hope that you can pick the method up like I did by just watching the video. Now I'm just making sure that my braid is covered all the way, and then once I get to the middle part like so, I'm going to take the super glue and I'm just going to glue the lock to the curl so that it doesn't unravel. Yeah, that's it. Just like that, you guys have created a boho lock. And then I'm just going to repeat the same method for the rest of this little section. This is the new edge control I've been using. It's called Earwax, and it's by Gorilla Glue. It's bomb, y'all. It's really good for that stubborn natural hair in the front that just doesn't lay down with regular gel. So yeah, you guys give it a shot. I'm going to put it down below in the comments for you guys to try it out. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now, and I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And I really hope you guys can pick up on this method, because if you can, this hairstyle is really cute, really simple, and it doesn't really take that long. Don't get frustrated if you guys don't get the method right off the bat. It did take me a little while. I went through about 4 locks before I actually got the wraparound method and everything. So don't be too hard on yourself. Just keep trying, because I promise you, you're gonna get it. Like, it's really not that hard. Now, to make this look a little bit more boho approved, I'm going to add more curly hair. It also makes it look a little bit more messier and just, I don't know, it's just really pretty, okay, when you add more curls. So I'm just adding curls throughout the locks, like anywhere where I see I want to add more. I definitely added a lot like in the bang area where I had the little flip over going, because I just like the way it looked around my face. So yeah, you guys can just customize this and add the curly hair wherever you like. Alrighty guys, so this is what I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know below in the comments if you try this hairstyle, and I really hope you guys caught on to the method. Don't be so hard on yourself. Watch it a couple times and I'm sure you're gonna get it. And I'll just see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.